Hey, it's Danielle here, and today we're going to talk how to make some easy cupcake holders or markers, sticks. I don't know. They stick into your cupcake using Smart Sticker Cardstock from Cricut and your Cricut Maker 3. So let's get started. You're going to want some Smart Sticker Cardstock first. This is the darker colors. We have white, and we also have these pastels. So I'm using the light blue here, and the dark blue, I could have used the Smart Sticker Cardstock, but Cricut also has some cardstock in blue that I really wanted to use. So I used that instead because I didn't need this piece to be stickered. And then I've got these little skewer things off somewhere else. So I will link all the products in the description and on the blog post. Okay, so I'm making 20 of these, so I changed the number to 20. You want to click apply. And then I'm doing this with and without the mat. So this one is without the mat. It's on Smart Sticker Cardstock. So I clicked without the mat and I changed the size to 13 so that there's 2 of them. So I have 2 different cuts here that I have to do. So I'm going to go load the Smart Sticker Cardstock into my machine and let it cut all of these out. We're just going to repeat the process with the blue. And then the dark blue is regular cardstock. Okay, so I'm loading this in. I'm going to start cutting my first circles. But first I gotta let it do its thing. It's already got the blade in there. I'm going to click go and let it go ahead and cut. This is going to take a few seconds. It's pretty quick for stuff like this. It's not like detailed cutting or anything, but I won't show you the whole thing. I'll just show you what it looks like. Here's one circle. There, 2 circles, 3 circles. Okay, so now that it's cut this sheet, I'm going to go ahead and load the second sheet in because this one's going to take 2 sheets because I've got so many different, so many cupcake toppers that I'm making. Okay, so this is just going to cut the second sheet. I'm not going to show you all that. You don't need to see it, but again, just a few second process. It's very quick at this. So it's hard to tell with this, but this is a light blue. I'm going to go ahead and load this in. It's the Smart Sticker Cardstock. It's the Pastels cup version. You can see I tried one set, and this original design was too thin around the edges and too thin around here to pull off without it ripping. So I adjusted my design so that it would come off easier. So that's what I'm cutting now. And again, this is only going to take a few minutes. It's a little more detailed than just the circles, but super easy to do. Okay, so you can see the blue Smart Sticker Cardstock. It is really hard to tell the difference. Once I put it on, you'll see. But you're going to want to carefully peel this off. I'm really bad at videoing without cutting my hand off with a shadow here. But so you're going to pick it off like this. You're going to have to pull out if the little pieces didn't come off. You're going to have to just carefully remove those. I need to get my nails done. Videos close up, geez. Okay, so then you're just going to stick this on. So essentially you're just laying your Smart Sticker Cardstock on there. So I'm going to do that for every single one of these. So again, you're just going to carefully peel this. Make sure you pull off any extra pieces that didn't pop off when you removed it. And center it. If you're a little off, it's not a big deal. Okay, so there we are. The last thing you're going to be doing is adding your regular cardstock. In this case, I'm putting it on a standard grip mat. Usually you want to use a light grip mat for cardstock, but this is like an old mat that's kind of lost some of its stick. So I like to save the environment and use that as much as I can just to get extra use out of it because we don't like throwing plastic away. So this one, of course, is clicked on the mat. We've got this. We can continue. We are going to choose medium cardstock once it loads here. Okay, so I've got medium cardstock and I can load it in and get it started. Okay, so this is just going to start and cut the circles now. This is going to be a slightly larger circle than our white circles, which is the whole idea. Now the reason I didn't use Smart Sticker Cardstock for this is because I don't want the back sticky, because there is going to be some overlap that's not covered. So of course I don't want that sticky. not worth using the Smart Sticker Cardstock here. It goes against the whole point of this. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So I'm going to let this cut and I'll show you how I put the rest of it together. Okay, so we're unloading this and I can just peel the circles off here. Whee! So I'm just going to pop that circle off there and show you how to put it together. Okay, so here is our goal. I want to take this. I am going to peel off the Smart Sticker Cardstock here. This is going to go right in the middle. Now I could theoretically just glue this on, not a problem, right? But the reason I'm doing it like this is because then I can do this. And again, glue would probably be just fine, but I don't like using glue. So there we go. And there's our cupcake topper. Now I'm going to go do this with 19 more of these and then I'm done. And here's the final look. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and visit DIYDanielle.com for more information.